technology must become substantial support for the teaching-learning process. The application of ICT in education is also now e-learning. E-learning is defined as the use of various technological tools that are based on the web in the purposes in education.
Due to the aforementioned, the concern to evaluate e-learning is giving rise to important initiatives and experiences worldwide in order to establish standards that allow its quality to be certified.
For this reason, Belola will present some assessment strategies for learning in e-learning model. The central assessment benefit to conferences in distance learner is finding out exactly what a student knows and what they can do. There's no internet or parent to give them hints.
Conferencing is also a critical method of relationship building with students, which is a necessary precursor to learning. Immediate, individualized feedback is a significant benefit of conferencing because the teacher focuses on one student. Conferencing provides an opportunity for immediate correction of error or reteaching of material if a student needs it.
Conferencing can also raise an early red flag regarding student progress, allowing the teacher to respond to a problem immediately rather than at the end of the unit. Conferencing provides teachers with a clear snapshot of students' knowledge and skills.
That is, asking students to apply higher order thinking skills from Bloom's taxonomy, like analyzing, evaluating, or creating, allows for more student engagement and authentic assessment of distance learners. In a language class, assessments that have worked well for both types of learners include analyzing and creating media products using principles of persuasion, practicing self-evaluation of skills, and goal setting through metacognition.
Each of these assessment tasks pushes students to use higher order thinking skills. The interdisciplinary nature of the assignment allows for a balanced assessment in a variety of categories.
Another possibility is Google Forms to create both formative and summative assessments.
The quiz feature allows teachers to control how the questions are presented, and they can program a look screen to start when an assessment begins so that students cannot open or connect to any other window.
Another nice feature of Google Forms is that it will grade multiple choice answers and release grades to students via email once you've marked the written answers. With distance learning students, it's better to use Google Forms in conjunction with Google Meet because it allows to set up each distance learning student with their own Google Meet. Then ask them to share their screen and turn on their camera throughout the entirety of the assessment.
Using Google Forms and Google Meet together allows the teacher to assess all of the students at the same time. This practice has worked so well in various classes that I just decided to use it as a method of assessing distant learners for final exams.
This strategy includes Google Docs and let us observe the progress of and comment on student written assessment in real time or asynchronously. For written assignments, we can use all of these features such as reviewing assessment as students are working on them and using the comment feature to provide feedback if appropriate.
When supporting students online, this feature allows checking on them and share feedback in real time by using comment and editing tools.
Once a document is submitted, it will be able often to check up on the version history. This is especially useful when students are working in a group situation, and this allows to see who has contributed to a document and in what context. It's also a great way to ensure that students' written work is authentic and not copy and pasted from another source or created by someone other than the owner of the document.
Finding strategies to consistently and fairly assess distance learners is paramount to ensuring equity and legitimacy in our new classroom environment.